The program is also being organized by Goa State AIDS Control Society in association with Directorate of Health Services. We are having a good percentage of blood donation in the state of Goa compared to other states. The voluntary blood donation is reaching nearly 80%. Of course, we want it to increase it more. And we have sufficient quantity of blood in all our registered blood banks, and it is able to meet the requirements of the all the hospitals in the state of Goa. And the government has also approved for upgrading the infrastructure of the blood bank in GMC, whereby we will be going for complete separation of the components of the blood, because that increases the shelf life of the blood. Otherwise, rather than keeping the blood in the same format, which has a reduced shelf life, differentiation of the components and storing the same have better value, and also it has a better utility. So that is work is also being taken. So on this day, I would urge upon all of you, all the people, to donate blood as and when they can do it.